How you guys doing? I'm Andy with My Soldier Trades.
I'm Sarah.
And this is Mira. Hi, Mira.
Hi, Mira.
She's a sweet girl. And she shakes like a chihuahua. I don't know why. Maybe because she's a chihuahua.
Maybe.
So, anyways, what we trade today?
Today we traded SLS.
SLS with a total pump and dump. I guess it broke down all the way to where it came from. And then it popped all the way to real body high. And then broke down again. I don't know where it's at now, but...
I'm pretty sure that Yeah, it's down below. Well, you traded this pre-market, right?
Yeah, I traded this pre-market. I traded a lot of this stuff pre-market. Usually we don't get such an amazing freaking trade like we did today. Mm-hmm. GNPX, for the last couple of days, I've been telling Sarah that she should buy it in her mobile account.
Yeah.
And today, it performed really well. Basically, we had a ripper, guys, and it was awesome. I mean, I was so pumped about it. I was grabbing that thing in it just perfect. It played out great. I mean, whenever we would break through the 9, hit the 20, bounce at the 20, come back up immediately. Whenever we come down to the 65 EMA, we would pop right up, bounce off that 65. Mm-hmm. I'd grab those trades every single time, and it was... I mean, this thing was just textbook beautiful. Mm-hmm. You know, I didn't try to grab the whole thing at all. I grabbed bite-sized pieces, predictable, trades. That way I'm not left holding the bag and stuck with, like, back when I was a static trader, just grabbing these things and like, oh, it's going to rip. Like, first of all, like 97+% of the time, it's not going to rip ever. Mm-hmm. And so what are you going to do those times, Everybody's trying to get rich really fast, but if people would just try to get rich slow, they'll get there.
Yeah,
but if
exactly.
they're trying to get rich fast, you're never going to be rich. I mean, the numbers that we're actually pulling down being conservative, these are amazing numbers, guys. These are these are jaw-dropping numbers. Like 2% our entire account today. Almost 1% on our entire account yesterday. 8% on our options account in one day.
Yeah.
And these are some pretty amazing numbers. I don't think that I need to be going for the moon or trying any harder. I'm doing pretty good with this plan. All I need to do is make sure that I can control the man in the mirror and stick with this trading plan.
Yeah, that's the hard part probably.
Yeah, Mira needs a manicure. Anyway. She needs her nails done.
She needs them painted too.
You especially know it when you hear it walking around the floor. So yeah, GNPX was awesome. That was a great trade. I was really hoping for more of a pullback and consolidation early on, but I didn't get it. It just remained bullish the whole time.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
So,
it was pretty nice.
What else did we trade?
BLNK.
BLNK. This is usually hands off for me. Like unless this thing is really like ripping and performing well, I usually stay away from BLNK.
Yeah, and I don't think it matters the news it has because basically today. It says they were trading higher following a report suggesting that Tesla is adding third-party charging stations to its in-car navigation. I mean, if they're getting that, if Tesla's going to put Blink charging stuff inside their navigation, that's some pretty good news for them. But every time Blink...
Yeah, but are they actually using Blink?
Right, exactly.
Charging? And
it's just because that's what they do, right?
From what I see now, like Blink or BLNK charging stations at IKEA, for example, they're like looking pretty decrepit and like sun
they might
washed
might keep up on those things and
right. I mean, it doesn't do very good for the investor wanting to buy your company if what you already have is not being taken care of and doesn't look really well. It doesn't look well maintained.
Another thing that companies need to think about, like BLNK, is to update things because people like newer looking stuff, not old, like ancient stuff,
Well, that's another thing, like even with trading and trading tools out there, like a lot of the old companies, they don't really want to come around to the new ideas that the customers are asking them for.
Yeah.
And then you have like amazing companies like TrendSpider, they're like, I'll do it for you.
Right, well,
I'll make this possible.
That's the way it should be.
You want to be able to put a trend line anywhere and get an alert on that line in any direction possible. You want to draw, reindeers and Santa Claus around your chart and get an alert at every single spot that you drew that line.
Right.
Here, we'll give that to you. They don't really have you drawing Santa Claus and reindeers, but basically the point is that
you never know because I see a lot of people putting charts up with drawings.
Yeah, people put a lot of funny drawings on their charts, but the thing is TrendSpider is so amazing and so powerful because you can scan for anything however you want. Like you can scan for things that other people don't even know exist because you just made it up. Like they've given you the power to be able to scan and get alerts in all these different ways. Like you want to put draw the triangle around your bull pennant and get an alert when that breaks out. TrendSpider's got it for you. Anything you want, you can basically do it. It's awesome.
Yeah.
And the thing is, I don't even know, and I hear all the traders, they're like, they're like, I'm just getting to know this. Like, this is, you know, I'm a beginner at this because, you know, there's so many possibilities and you've got to be like, yeah, they've thought about everybody in this.
Yeah, they have.
They've thought about the long-term investors. I mean, just any kind of trade you'd be looking for, they have it right there. And they're only going to get better from here. So I definitely check them out. And if you've served or are serving, first responder, mightysoldierstrades@gmail.com. We'll make sure you get a coupon code for military discount with them because they have been awesome in recognizing you and your service. So go ahead and hit us up on the mightysoldierstrades@gmail.com. Trendspider's in the link also.
Yeah, in the link. You can find it. Okay, so we traded DGLY.
DGLY is usually another hands-off trade for me.
Yeah, it looks like it.
I BLNK and DGLY, I went in there with rather small position sizing. It took us over 2% of our entire account today, so that's cool, and that worked out. But yeah, I wasn't really going to mess with those in any big. Actually, SLS is kind of a hands-off trade too. But I went about 5 times larger. Actually, I went 10 times larger than I normally would have went on something like SLS. I did not do that with BLNK. So yeah, I put 10% the size in BLNK that I did in SLS. And SLS, just I knew it. I knew that this was, you know, this was, I was there at the right time and I knew it, and I knew that I wasn't going for the moon.
See, that's part of the key, being there when you know it was the right time to be there. Because a lot of times it's not the right time to be there, and that's when you lose.
Right. So we got one Chihuahua here. And she's just sniffing and looking at the other Chihuahua. And the other Chihuahua is burying food under rugs and in pillows. And he's making some crazy noise with some, I guess, backwards sneeze, they call it, or something like that. Usually we, like, put our finger in front of his nose to stop him from doing it. It helps him a lot. Or he'll do it himself. He'll bury his nose in a pillow or something. He's learned from us what he can do to stop his own backwards sneeze deal, or whatever you guys want to call it. I don't know, but it's a funny noise that little Chihuahuas and short-nosed dogs do.
Yeah, she does it kind of, but hers sounds different than the other dogs. Because
I'm pretty sure that it's not the nicest thing in the world, though. And happy Valentine's Day, too. Yeah, like, this is awesome. GNPX has totally paid for a great night out for me and Sarah.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna go enjoy ourselves, and like I said to everybody, you know, if you you know, I don't believe that you have to go buy stuff and like pay to go out and everything on Valentine's Day. I think the most important thing is, like, you know, do sweet things, you know, dance in the kitchen to some sweet music, like rub your wife's hair or girlfriend's hair, you know, massage her back, go make a really nice meal and surprise her doing everything. And it's something, especially if you don't normally do it, then it's really nice.
Yeah, that's what women want. What do they always want on Mother's Day? They just want someone to clean the house and make them food. Yeah, that's it. Do the laundry and the dishes.
Yeah, help make things easier. Just show that you love them. But yeah, I mean, I think anything else? DGLY, BLNK, SLS, GNPX.
That's it.
Yeah.
I mean, most of them had news except for GNPX, but it has been trading higher this week because of an agreement with the University of Pittsburgh for a potential curative gene therapy candidate to treat diabetes. So that could be off of that news why it's moving today, because that's what maybe was making a move yesterday, because it has been moving around the past couple of days.
So, yeah, she is the sweetest dog in the world, but she's getting hair all over me.
Oh, yeah. She likes beards, too.
She does the weirdest things. Guys, she's like a cat. She will rub your ankles and your feet and, like, roll around at your ankles and your feet. Just more like a cat than a dog.
Yeah.
She's a strange little sweet doggy. And there's the chubby little Chihuahua coming to check everything out.
Oh, yeah.
He wants to get some more food to go bury it.
Hey, mister.
But yeah, I'm full of hair now. Thank you, dog. That's so cool.
Oh, wow.
This was brand new clean.
Guess we're going to have to tape you.
Yeah. Yeah, so anyways, thanks for joining us. Happy Valentine's Day.
And happy Valentine's Day. And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah, that too.
Don't forget to check us out. Hi, I'm Sarah with Mighty Soldiers Trades. We really appreciate your support. If you like that video, please like and subscribe. Thanks.